Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this time I will be showing you a presentation, a PowerPoint presentation actually, that I created for my public speaking class. So I created this PowerPoint presentation about the Broadway musical Funny Girl. So as you can see, I'm talking about the Broadway musical Funny Girl. It's actually the revival. I'm talking about the drama though. By Colin Killoran. That's me. So, yeah, moving on to the next slide. So I have a background information slide where I talk all about the TV show Glee and the original Broadway production of Funny Girl and Ryan Murphy's rumored Funny Girl revival. And then, Beanie Feldstein was cast instead of Lea Michele. Who would have guessed? So then moving on, I talk about Beanie Feldstein's run as Fanny Brice. She gets a lot of negative reviews, which sucks, I guess. Whoa. And then her standby, Julie Benko, gets rave reviews. So then Beanie actually announces that she's leaving the show, and her last performance will be July 31st. So then Julie Benko takes over for a little bit, and she's playing Fanny Brice for a month, and then Lea Michele takes over, and she gets rave reviews. And there's a bit of drama with that, but we won't get into that right now. And then, so yeah, I have my conclusion and then my bibliography. So basically, PowerPoint's this really useful tool for presenting, and it can be used in classes. It can be used like with your friends. It's a really useful tool. So this is my presentation on PowerPoint. I really hope you enjoyed it because I know I enjoyed delivering it to you. Thank you so much for listening and have a good night.